Prime Cabinet Secretary has alerted Senate this morning. The Cabinet Secretary at the National Treasury has alerted the Senate this morning. Mr. Speaker, it should also occur to this House that this is not the first time the Prime Cabinet Secretary is failing to appear before this House. And, Mr. Speaker, if this does not imply attitude, then what does?
Yesterday, Mr. Speaker, we also find the governor of Nairobi, Johnson Sakaja, who happened to be one time a senator of this great county of Nairobi. We have invited him since November 2022. We are in November 2023, 6 times, and he has never appeared, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, we gave that fine because we know he won't even appear tomorrow. And if he doesn't, Mr. Speaker, we are going to invoke Section 19 of the Parliamentary Powers and Privileges Act that he should be arrested and brought to the committee, Mr. Speaker.
And it is not a coincidence that just the second week when the members of the opposition want to engage vastly with these people, they're already running away, Mr. Speaker. It doesn't make any sense. I was looking forward, because we have a serious controversy in this country about the G2G deal. I wanted to look the CS energy in his eyes and ask him those questions that I've written down here, Mr. Speaker. But he has run away. And this...
I believe that when the Kenya Kwanza government ran for office, we are here for the hustler nation, for the people. What else are the cabinet secretaries so busy doing that they cannot come here to answer questions that the hustlers are asking, Mr. Speaker? Because for me today, I was looking forward to engaging with the Minister of Energy, Mr. Speaker. The bills on KPLC